Welcome back to the channel. Here we're on the Bambu Lab A1 and we have a slide together egg printed out of 3 different colors of filaments. We will start it off with 2 different colors of cookie CAD. We have a blue with sparkles, a lavender, and then we have an orange peachish color from Polymaker. Now these are not the slide through, well, the pass through like some of the rest of them. These just slide together. Let's see if we can do this one-handed. So this one goes here. Ooh, this is a little bit harder one-handed than I was expecting. Yeah. Take this one. That one slides there. Maybe we can get this one to slide in one-handed. Might have to use 2. Okay, we actually put the phone in a tripod and we will get this on here really fast. And there we go. So don't forget, if you like our content, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.